Chase just dropped a massive offer that defies the standard rules. They're offering a $500 bonus for opening the business checking account, and here's the kicker. There's no direct deposit requirement. If you have $2,000 sitting in a high yield savings account, earning 3% or 4%, you're leaving money on the table. Moving that same $2,000 to Chase for 90 days nets you a $500 return. This isn't just another bank bonus, it's a 25% return on your cash in 3 months. Today, I'm breaking down the 3 steps to grab this $500 bonus, the side hustle loophole that lets almost anyone open this account, and the one specific date you need to check to make sure you're eligible. The first question you may be asking is, why do banks offer welcome bonuses? The simple answer is that a sign-up bonus is much cheaper than spending millions on advertising. Those TV commercials, postal mail cards, and social media ads cost a lot of money. By offering a welcome bonus, you get an incentive for trying out a new bank account, and they save money. It's a win-win situation for both you and the bank. However, bank bonuses are typically only available if you find a link to the offer. After all, if you're already heading to the bank or going directly to the bank's website to open an account, why would they need to dangle a carrot in front of you? But don't worry, I'll include this offer link in the video description. To get paid, you need to follow what I call the 2-2-5 rule. Step 1 is you must open a new Chase Business checking account using the link I included in the video description, or just scan this QR code. Step 2 is to deposit a minimum total of $2,000 in new money within 30 days of enrollment. New money simply means it's coming from outside of Chase, so transfer the funds from your Fidelity, Bank of America, or any other bank or brokerage account. Step 3 is you need to complete 5 qualifying transactions within 90 days of account opening. What counts as a qualifying transaction? It's easier than you think. You can make 5 small debit card purchases, use mobile deposit to deposit a check, or even just pay a bill through their online portal. Once you hit that 5th transaction, Chase drops the $500 into your account 15 days later. It's one of the fastest payouts in the game. Before you apply, let's talk about who's allowed to get this offer. You're eligible for this $500 bonus if you don't have an existing Chase Business Checking and you haven't enrolled in the Chase Business Checking bonus in the last 2 years. So you're good if you only have a Chase personal checking account or a Chase credit card. But here's a secret most people miss. The 2-year clock starts on your last bonus enrollment date, not the date you received the previous bonus. For example, let's say today is May 1, 2026. If you opened your last account on April 30, 2024, but didn't get the bonus until May 31, 2024, you're still eligible. That's because you're past the 2-year mark since you enrolled on April 30th. If you're even 1 day past that 2-year enrollment anniversary, you're clear to collect another $500. I get a lot of messages saying, hey John, I don't own a big company. I don't have an EIN. I can't do this. That's 100% wrong. You don't need a big company to have a business bank account. Do you sell things on eBay, deliver food on DoorDash, or take care of dogs through Rover? Then you have a business. In the eyes of the bank, you're a sole proprietor. You can use your own first and last name as the business name. If what I described fits you, then here's exactly what to select to get approved without an EIN. For business structure, select sole proprietorship for both your structure and business type. For ownership, select yes when it asks if you're the only owner. For DBA, select no when it asks you if you use another business name. Your name is the name of the business. For tax ID, select and enter your social security number. For revenue, be honest, but estimate your gross annual revenue even if it's only $1,000 for the year. Another thing I want to mention is having a business checking account has 0 impact on your tax liability. You're not more likely to be audited just for having a business bank account. It's simply a tool to keep your hustle money separate from your life money. But as always, consult a licensed tax advisor for your financial situation. Chase has a $15 monthly service fee for this account. But as a money ninja, we never pay fees. To waive that $15 and keep the account 100% free, you only need to meet one of these 5 options every monthly statement period. Option 1 is to maintain a $2,000 minimum daily balance. Since you need to put $2,000 in there to get the bonus, just leave it in there until you want to move the money or close the account. Option 2 is to use the Chase Sapphire Reserve for Business or Chase Ink card. If you spend $2,000 a month on one of these Chase business cards, the fee is waived. Option 3 is if you're currently in the military or you're a military veteran, then there's no monthly service fee if you show proof of this. Option 4 is to maintain a linked personal Chase private client checking account. And option 5 is to process $2,000 in payments via Chase Payment Solutions. In my opinion, the easiest method is to just leave a $2,000 deposit in the account. It acts as your security deposit to keep the account free while you wait for your $500 bonus to land. I love trying out new bank accounts and getting paid for them. Last year, I made $7,150 in bank bonuses. So this is pretty lucrative if you want to try a bunch of accounts before committing to one. Check out this video if you want to see more bank bonuses, and I'll see you next time.